So let's get started with our first React app. The first thing we're going to build is this application called Monsters Rolodex. It's a web app that has these cards that have monsters in them, and these cards have a name and an email. And then there's also this search box that we can use to filter out the monsters by what we type in. Now, through building this application, we are going to understand the basics of what React does, how to write React code, and also some of the fundamental things we need to understand when building an application in React. Before we get started, we're going to use a tool called Create React App. Create React App is a tool that was built by Facebook to help developers get started with building React projects very quickly. The reason for this tool is because React is actually written in a version of JavaScript that is further along than the version of JavaScript that our browsers understand. So there are actually these two tools called Babel and Webpack that take the React code that we write and convert them into that older version of JavaScript and HTML that our browser is able to understand. Now, the Facebook team understood that it would be a lot of work for new developers in order to learn React, to learn all this configuration regarding Webpack and Babel. If they just wanted to write React, then there should be a quick way just to start writing a React project. So this tool helps us spin up a project that already has all this configuration done for us. Now, later on in the course, I will definitely show you guys how Create React App works under the hood. I'm going to show you some of the Webpack and some of the Babel so you understand how to do it yourself. But right now, I just want us to start learning React. Now, in order to use this tool, we see that we got to call npx create react app and then the name of our application in our command line. So before we begin, we got to make sure we're using the latest version of Node. So if we check the Node website, we'll see that the latest stable recommended version is 10.15.3. So let's go to our terminal, and I use NVM. So I'm going to call nvm install 10.15.3. And NVM will install this version of Node. And then we're going to use it. NVM use 10.15.3. Now we're going to call what we saw earlier, npx create react app monsters Rolodex. Now, Create React App is now building out our project and setting up the files, the Webpack, the Babel, all the stuff we need so that we can start using React right away. And after this project gets built, let's cd into it, and then let's see what Create React App gives us.